Hi, I'm Melissa with ShingleTech, a roofing company in Washington, Missouri. If you have questions you want answered about roofs or the roofing companies that do that kind of work, then you've come to the right place. When evaluating options related to repairing or replacing a worn or damaged roof, there are a few questions that are important to ask. Here they are. Number 1, how old is the current roof or siding? Number 2, how many more years can it last in its current condition? And number 3, what's your budget? If there is significant damage and cash flow has got you in a crunch, what you really need to know is if there is a repair option that exists and whether or not it will last until you can afford to do a total replacement. Hoping for the best almost never works out, and unfortunately, it gets exponentially more expensive when problems get ignored and additional interior damage results. I hope this helps. And if you live in New Haven, Union, Villa Ridge, Pacific, Washington, Missouri, or anywhere in between, and are in need of roof repairs, roofing supplies, metal roofing, a flat roof, or really anything pertaining to commercial roofing or residential roofing, we invite you to call us at 636-221-7284. We are fully insured, provide free estimates, and guarantee our work. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Roofing Washington, Missouri, or check us out on the web at www.shingletech.com.